Totally, I don't believe that AI has taken our work yet. There are less budget-sensitive industries out there that are waiting for our skills as the experts in the field. So if you are the expert in the field and you do not know how to showcase those skills to your potential clients, this masterclass is for you. I will help you to boost your visibility, to create the visibility that is needed in order for you to be able to be found by your ideal clients. AI, yes, is here. Yes, will stay. Yes, we're here to see the developments. But I don't want to hear from people that they have never taken any initiative towards getting clients to tell me, Virginia, I don't get any clients because of AI. No, it's because you haven't contacted your clients, you haven't optimized your LinkedIn profile, you haven't taken all the steps that are needed in order for you to be able to be found and to create those opportunities for you. And this masterclass is the right place for you to get an idea and, of course, to start preparing for your strategy for 2026 and to create your plan. We're going to set up your own goals. And I can guarantee that you will learn new things that you didn't know, even if you might be older than me. Many of you, you're telling me, Virginia, you're very young. I'm older than you. I have people 60 plus years old in my trainings and my paid programs that they are mind blown and they learn so many things that they didn't know so far. And of course, they update their technical skills when it comes to marketing, branding, and of course, online platforms to get clients. That was it for now. So either you are a starting out colleague that you would like to start getting your first clients, or you are already an established colleague, but you would like to predict your future and overcome any AI challenges, getting more or better paying clients in the future. This free masterclass is for you. If you have more questions, send me a direct message or comment here below. I would love to answer all of your questions. If you're ready to join us, bementoring.com/ as you see here passing through. Plan dash your dash 2026 dash success. Can't wait to see you inside. Bye bye for now. Happy December, everyone.